Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back. Today we're going to be showing you how to upload an existing tune to a custom screen layout. I've seen a few questions about this, so I just want to address it. So to start, we're going to open up our NSP program. So you're going to go ahead and hit File, Open, and you're going to choose the screen that you already have created or sent to you, however you obtained it. Now once you have that loaded, you can hit File, Import, and you can go to whatever tune you have already. And you're going to import everything but the screens. So I just hit Select All Wiring Settings. You can go through each one and choose the exact sensors that you want to import or whatever. Then you hit Import Selected Items. I have a bunch of errors just because I didn't set up all the parameters that I already have, like a handbrake switch and stuff like that. But now you can see that the screens show up with my existing tune already here. That should be a pretty simple video. I just wanted to get this out there so that people could start importing them on their existing tunes so they don't have to redo anything. I hope this helped. If you have any other questions, comment down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.